Hey Anthony, Jessica Peterson here. I spoke with Josh earlier and he thought you might want to check out this video. I'm super excited he accepted it for you because today I'm going to go over 3 main strategies you guys can start applying right away, and it's going to make a significant difference for your business, okay? You guys serve a large amount of communities, yet you're getting 0 traffic to your website. So you're missing out on 60 to 70% of your jobs every single month for all of these locations, okay? And so I know when I show you these strategies and you start applying them, it's going to make a significant difference. And I know this because we've used these exact strategies with over 50 other restoration companies just like you guys, and it's made a huge, huge impact, okay? So the 3 main things we are going to talk about today are going to be your content keyword strategy, citations, and backlinks, okay? First thing before we get started, I do need to let you know is this website is not secured. This is very dangerous. You need to make sure that you get a new SSL certificate and secure your website. When your website is unsecured, anybody can hack your website, take it over, basically steal your brand from you. Okay, and that can have huge financial hardships and everything else that goes along with it. Businesses get identity theft as much as people. So this is really huge. So definitely get your SSL certificate, okay? Now, when it comes to ranking websites, Google ranks, mostly it's based on content, but also use the user experience and making sure everything is mobile first, mobile friendly. And so a couple other things I noticed right off the bat is you don't have a phone number here, a good phone number. You don't have a real email address. There's no way for your customers, even if they've found your website, they can't contact you. You might have a contact us page, but they cannot call you, they cannot send an email. You don't have any form up here. So you actually don't have any calls to action. If you want people to convert and become customers, you have to have your call to actions in place, okay? Your website is more than just a business card. This is like your storefront, all about you, and drives customers. It drives them to convert. So you have to have it built and optimized the right way. And so you need a separate page for every single service. Google, that's a basic Google requirement, because Google wants all your services to have their own separate page, which allows you to use that page to talk about the service, answer the questions customers have about that service, and focus on a local keyword, okay? I'm not sure if you guys are just a large corporation with multiple locations or if this is a franchise, but being a local business, you want to make sure you're going after local keywords. So you might have the main website based in one area and then have the service area pages for the other areas. But we need to make sure that we are optimizing this site here. So content comes in many forms. It can be videos, it can be images. We want to make sure that images are optimized. We can see here, this is just a bunch of letters and numbers. This is not an optimized photo. This should be about the service. So this should be like Denver water damage restoration, Denver. People search differently, so you want to capitalize on the various keywords that they use. And then this homepage is the most important page of your entire website because it ties in all your other pages together. So this page here should be a summary of each of your services, maybe even a little bit about you guys, but everything needs to be dialed in and everything needs those local keywords. You need at least 1,500 words or more on this homepage. If your competitors have 1,500 words, you're going to need more. You'll need 1,800 to 2,000 words on that page, okay? And then I am happy to see that you have location pages. So that's good. Every area that you service should have their own page for each service. That is going to allow you to write content specific to that area for that service and allow Google to index you and send customers to your website. So Google sends crawlers, which are like little mini robots, and it scans every single page of your website, all of your images, videos, and written content to try and understand what your website is about. What type of services do you offer, and where do you perform those services at? Without having the right type of content, Google doesn't understand. They're not able to index you for keywords, so they're not able to send you any customers, okay? So there's a lot of little minor things that you guys need to fix, but you definitely need to work on that content keyword strategy so you can start capitalizing and gaining some of that 60 to 70% of jobs that you're currently missing. If we look at your top competitor in Denver, we do have a franchise of ServPro, but they are also very beatable. So you're not competing against the entire franchise. You're only competing against specific locations, and these are franchisees that serve a handful of zip codes, okay? And most franchises, especially this one, does not allow their franchisees to modify this information in a way that would actually benefit them. So they're kind of stuck with what they have. So you guys have that opportunity to do better. So all you have to do is have better quality content and more content. So more words per page, okay? You want more pages, more long form blog content, and all of those things are going to help you to beat ServPro in this area, okay? Now, when your customers are searching online, as we know, they'll put in a search similar to what we're seeing here. And when they do, there's 3 spots on the first page of Google that your business can have good positioning in. And we want yours to be showing up here. So the first is generally going to be ads. Those are cost per click ads and local service ads. And this can be really profitable as long as you have everything dialed in, your processes are dialed in, and you got a good solid foundation. Without that, it's going to not have a great ROI for you, okay? Now these next 2 sections, these get the bulk of the traffic when people search. And so this section here is your Google Map Pack or your Google Business Profile. And so you want your profile to be one of these top 3 companies because 30% of people come straight to this map pack and don't go anywhere else. So when you're not one of these top 3 listed companies, you're leaving 30% of your revenue on the table, quite literally handing your competitors your customers, okay? So in order to get in the top spot, if you're not already, then you need to further optimize the profile and go out and get a bunch of citations. We will need more than our competition. And so citations are simply listing the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and putting those in a bunch of directories. And those are things like the Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Glassdoor, Angie's List, House. All of those are great citations, okay? And every single citation you get gives Google a different, more information about your business. So it's really, really important that you have those citations in place. And then this 3rd section here is the most important section. This is the organic section. It is so important because 60 to 70% of people skip everything else. They're going to skip those ads. They'll skip the maps and they come here and go to your website. So when you're not one of these companies here in the organic section, you're losing 60 to 70% of your jobs every single month. So, in order for your website to show up here, it all comes back to the foundation of this website. Having it properly built and optimized with the right type of content and keyword strategy, and then supporting that with your backlink SEO, which brings us to backlinks. Now, as we can see here, this is a paid tool we use. It shows us how your website is performing. And we can see here you guys have 0 out of 100 in Google's trust flow. So Google doesn't trust your website, and that's partly because of the quality of the content of the website, but even more so the power we're sending to it. Like all the tools we use, websites need power too. And we send power through backlinks. So we need a lot of backlinks. We need more backlinks than our competitors have. And we need to be pushing these backlinks every month to supply our website with the needed power. But it's important to understand this is not all backlinks are created equal. This is a popularity contest, so we only want the good quality do follow links that are closely related to the services you offer. So those could be coming from websites of other home service businesses, vendors, and even magazines related to your services. Okay, and so the more of those you get, the higher this score gets, the more Google trusts you. And the more Google trusts you, the more it's going to promote your website higher, and it's going to help you rank your keywords, okay? Right now you've got, it says 9 keywords, and you've got 0 traffic. So you're missing out on hundreds of people going to your site and over 60% of your jobs every month. If we look at your keywords, there's 10 spots per page on Google, and you are not ranking for any of your keywords, okay? Now, if we were to look at your competition, they also have a low score for their area, but that makes sense because there's no point in doing SEO if you can't fix what's wrong in the first place. So, but because of how powerful this website is here, being a 77, it's able to push the power back to the back pages. And then in doing so, this one specific Denver location is able to generate over 700 people to their website every single month. And they're doing that because of the keywords. They've been indexed for the keywords and they're ranking. So they're getting tons of search volume here. Okay? And you guys can do the same thing. It's very repeatable, and SERPro is also very beatable. But you have to use these strategies. So, So, please feel free to take this information, run with it, apply it yourself, and start driving that traffic and helping more people in your community. But if you'd rather focus on what you do best and work with a partner in growth, give us a call here at Peterson SEO because this is our specialty. And we specialize in working with restoration companies just like you guys. So please feel free to reach out, ask any questions you might have, respond to my email, or give us a call, and we would be happy to chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.